folks, this is a quick video on how to use the new webcam, which is great. It will pick up the sound in your classroom. So I'm just going to join this meet. Okay, so the first step I should say is to assemble your tripod, screw it on the bottom, disregard that extra little piece that came in your box, that's for phones. Plug in the USB. It's really important that you plug it into your laptop with the USB before you get started. You're going to turn it on by hitting that arrow. Then you're going to pick webcam and press that red enter button. Start webcam, yes, plus press the red circle again. All right, now you should see it automatically has come up here. I'm in the lovely courtyard of HBW with my very shaky camera skills. Okay, I'm going to join my meet. If I would like to, for some reason, have the kids see me, I can switch the camera. Hi. But I'm going to switch that back. Okay, I'm going to click those three dots again. I'm going to click settings and I'm going to change the microphone to the default webcam. Okay, and now hopefully you can hear the sound is coming through the external webcam. It's pretty powerful, so you can adjust the volume. Right now I'm on 6 or 7. Now I'm on 5 or 4. You can zoom in using the plus or minus. There's all kinds of different points of view and scene settings. You can put filters on this. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy these, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.